What's going on, guys? Today's project is going to be a really simple one. We're going to be making a clock out of an old saw blade. So I got my number templates here kind of laid out. They're a little bit bigger, so I'm not gonna be able to fit all the numbers on there, but I think having the 12, 3, 6, and 9 is gonna be plenty. I may also come back and add some little lines to represent the rest of the numbers. But I'm gonna get these on, take the clock off, that way I don't have any spray paint where I don't want it, and we'll get the numbers put on. So the paint has dried, and now we'll just peel off our tape and template and hope all the numbers look good. So it doesn't look half bad. Now we just gotta put the hands on. So it's about 6 o'clock here. I'm just gonna set the clock to the right time and get it hung up on the wall. This clock kit I bought actually came with the way to hang it on the wall, thankfully. So I just put in a nail right over my drill station and we'll hang it up. That's about it, guys. This is a really quick and simple project. The longest part really is just cleaning up all the rust and dirt off the saw blade. It's a really cool project though. It's a saw blade I've used in my shop. I really like the sleek and simple design. I was kind of limited anyway because this is only a 10-inch saw blade and the smallest number templates I had were 2-inch. You could probably go back and add a few dashes to represent the other numbers if you wanted. But all in all, this is a really cool project. This is a saw blade I've actually used in my shop, and I didn't want to throw it away necessarily. So I think to be able to reuse it and make something cool out of it and hang up in my shop or maybe even in the house, I think it's a really cool project, and it definitely will serve better purpose as opposed to being thrown away. Most woodworkers don't typically like throwing away parts and old tools, so let me know down in the comments what you do with your old saw blades and other tools. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.